Good evening, everybody. This is Miss Ocampo. I created this screencast-o-matic video to help you understand your homework a little bit better. I've been receiving a lot of questions such as which assignments should I work on first, what should I be taking notes on, and where is my TechBook? So this is discoveryeducation.com. This is where we find our information regarding the assignments and our textbook. Or in this case, since it's an online textbook, it's called a TechBook. So as you see here, we have two tabs, and this is the main page of a sample student named Sophia. So let's say this was your page. So over here, you have the upcoming assignments. And you can view the assignments in two ways. You can click on this tab right here, or you can click on View All Assignments. Either one will take you to the same page, and I will click on this tab here for now. Now, as you can see, all the assignments that I have assigned to your class are listed here. The due date for each assignment is on this column. The status of the assignment is on this column. So if you completed the assignment, it would say complete. The assignment name is right here. The type of assignment, which is just a text assignment, and the class you're in and your teacher's name. So if you click here on the menu bar, it says here due date. So if you tap on the due date, you see at first there's a triangle, it's upside down. You tap on it or click on it, and the triangle will have the pointy edge up. Now we have organized all our assignments by due date, with the most upcoming assignment first. So here we have Basic Lab Safety Rules, which is a video segment, and it is due on the 23rd. If you click on it or tap on it, you will see that there is a video. You can watch the video and follow along using a transcript. This transcript here basically just reviews lab safety rules. These lab safety rules were listed on your lab safety contract, so it should be a good review on the rules that you signed for. So you can follow along with the transcript, and also if you go back to the main page, home, you will also see upcoming assignments by their most urgent due date. Now if you click here, you see also that there is a play button here and a T for text, which just also defines it through an icon, letting you know which kind of assignment it is. So since this has a play button, it is a video, and if this is a T, it's text. So let's click on the text. So thinking about laboratory practices and safety. That is the name of your assignment, and it is also the name of one page of your TechBook. You can read it. This page, I believe, has many assignments underneath, or like 5 questions. See here. 1 question. And 1 little section with many little parts regarding properties. You have another question here. And you have a matching question here. If you keep going, you'll see additional resources that you can access but that are not assigned. So this is the first page. Explore is another page, and it is also another assignment that's possibly assigned, but you have to check according to the name of the section. So how should basic laboratory equipment be used? If you choose to do so, you can continue reading and take notes here. Please note that there are some words that are bolded blue, and these are vocabulary words that you should be careful to note. If you see here, once I clicked on the blue bolded word, safety, I got a science glossary pop-up window, and the window shows me animation details video and image. Here, safety is explained through an animation, and also under details, it gives me the exact definition of the word, the key context of the word, and the Greek and Latin etymology, or where they come from. Where does a word come from? If you click on video, you'll see a video that talks more about safety. An image if you want to see more, something related to safety as well. In this case, it's a lady wearing safety goggles and lab coats. Also, those gloves are part of the safety attire. Anyway, I just want you to understand that all of these are just resources for you to understand what safety means. Details actually shows the definition for the word, which is what I want you to write down in your notebook. So as you're reading each section, please note just the main and key concepts. Over here in handling glassware, you can write down that glass is fragile and broken pieces are dangerous. And you can write down a short summary of the procedures. You can do it in a diagram form in your notes, part of your Cornell notes. And then underneath there's a question that you can answer. However, although this is an assignment, it does not have the mark as complete button. So always note which section you took notes for and if you completed it, so that you can always go back to that pending assignment. See, it's the same page, and mark as complete. So for your assignments and for your readings, please only focus on engage and explore. Explain, elaborate with STEM, and evaluate. Those tabs are great resources if you want to continue reading and reviewing the content. However, what you have for homework in terms of reading and assignments is usually under engage and explore. As you can see, I clicked on number 2 of explore, and there's another page with a different title, but the mark as complete button does not show here. And there are no questions. Again, always note what's the name of the little section. Take notes summarizing important information, and any blue bolded words. Do note any words that were on the vocabulary handout in Shobi, and make sure you write down the definition in your notebook. Explain is great, but it's not something that I require you to do. If you want to review these 3 tabs, explain, elaborate with STEM, and evaluate, you may. Evaluate is a good way to really summarize each section. If you're having trouble, remember that with our Cornell notes, you can draw little doodles or little cartoons that help you understand the information better. I do recommend that you review the laboratory practices and safety, these practice assessments, at the end if you want to review for the test next week. It's a great resource. Highly recommended. So this was 1.3. That's what we went over in class, and now we're working on 1.1. So for 1.1, please begin reading, engage, and explore. Explore only these 8 tabs. Don't click on Explore More Resources. Make sure to summarize the text that you have in each page. It's great information. Be careful of writing down every single word by word in your notebook. I just want you to write down what's the name of the section and also summarize the information that's provided to you. If you would like to watch a video, you may watch a video to provide supplements.
The scientific method is a disciplined, systematic way of asking and answering.
As you can see, sometimes the videos provide some vocabulary word, and sometimes the videos just provide a scenario. So that is a TechBook. Remember the upper left-hand corner to go to the home page. You have the home tab where you can see all upcoming assignments. You can see a few resources provided by Discovery Education for you. And also you have under My Resources a Science TechBook where you can access the class textbook. Under View All Assignments, you'll see all the assignments that were assigned to the class, and if you click on Due Date or tap on Due Date, you'll see the assignment due dates listed from the most recent and if you see that triangle that's upside down with the pointy part up, you're set. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. This student has 4 assignments left for tomorrow, which is really good. Remember again, just take brief notes regarding your reading, and if usually the videos that I assign to you are supplement to your readings, so it should have the same information, but I added it there for my visual learners that need to see it in a video. Alright, so if you have any further questions, please do contact me through Shobi. I would love to do another video again if you guys need help. I hope to see you again soon in class. Have a good night.